once stood frozen in a Nairobi supermarket for 45 minutes, unable to choose between two loaves of bread. Not because the bread mattered, because somewhere along the way I stopped trusting myself. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll learn how I rebuilt self-trust and found clarity. Have you ever questioned a decision so much that making no decision felt safer? If that sounds familiar, this story may help you find clarity.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. This is just my personal opinion. Please consult a professional.
There was a season when every choice felt dangerous, even the smallest everyday decisions. Outside, I looked normal. Inside, every decision felt like walking through a minefield. Should I stay? Leave? Call? Wait? Every option seemed equally terrifying and uncertain.
Tell me below, what decision have you been overthinking lately? Someone else may need your answer too.
Every time I made a decision, I immediately started questioning whether I had made the wrong one. I became my own prosecutor, defense lawyer, judge, jury, and somehow I always lost. It didn't matter whether the decision was important or ridiculously small. Doubt always arrived first. Choosing lunch felt like negotiating an international peace treaty with invisible consequences. The worst part wasn't making decisions. It was reliving them repeatedly afterward. Have you ever replayed a conversation so many times that it became completely different in your head? I carried old mistakes everywhere, like heavy luggage nobody else could see. Looking back, I had basically opened a museum dedicated to my worst decisions. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the grand exhibition of things I wish I'd done differently. The only visitor was me. The strange thing is, I believed all this overthinking was actually helping me. I told myself I was being careful, responsible, thoughtful, and incredibly strategic. I thought enough analysis would protect me from mistakes, embarrassment, and regret forever. But the more I analyzed, the less confident I became in myself. The harder I chased certainty, the more uncertainty seemed to chase me back. It was like trying to clear muddy water by stirring it even faster. Every attempt to gain control somehow created even more confusion and doubt. Then, one evening, something happened that quietly changed everything. Earlier that day, I had spent hours trapped in Nairobi traffic, questioning decisions from years ago. Somehow, a traffic jam became a time machine that transported me directly into old regrets. By the time I arrived, I had mentally reopened decisions that were 3 years old. Imagine carrying expired receipts everywhere. That's exactly what I was doing, with old choices, mistakes, and missed opportunities. That evening, sitting alone on my balcony, I finally admitted how exhausted I felt. Then a question appeared that changed the direction of my entire life. What if the problem wasn't my decisions? What if it was my lack of trust in myself? That thought hit me harder than any mistake I had ever made.
If this realization is helping you, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing so more people can find clarity too.
I suddenly realized that nobody actually knows exactly what they're doing all the time. Not in Nairobi. Not anywhere. Everyone is figuring things out as they go. The difference wasn't that other people had certainty. They simply trusted themselves enough to move forward anyway. I finally saw the truth. I wasn't searching for confidence. I was demanding guarantees from life.
Let's see what's next.
But life offers possibilities, not promises. I started small, choosing faster, doubting less, trusting simple, everyday decisions without endless analysis. Most decisions worked out fine. Some didn't, but every single time, I survived and learned. Self-trust isn't believing you'll always be right. It's knowing you'll be okay when you're wrong. My journal prompts were simple. What am I avoiding? What evidence proves I can handle uncertainty? What decision have you been postponing? What small step could you take today despite uncertainty? Remember, clarity isn't waiting somewhere ahead. It grows with every courageous step you take. Clarity doesn't come from controlling life. It comes from learning how to navigate uncertainty.
They will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything. Everything. When you put it out there and it's pure, can't ask for anything more. Want to do this for you wholeheartedly. They will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything. Everything can't really be enticed, although it's very nice. In my space I feel most comfortable. Choose what you like, choose your people, choose your time, choose to be vibrant, choose to feel yourself, choose to transcend, choose to be your own friend. Yeah, they will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything, everything. like the sun, like the sun. There will be everything, everything.
Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Did you pause for a minute? Did you even feel it? Yeah, you felt it. For a minute. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. It was in the air. It was a smile. I was humming. You were whispering something. Did you feel it? Did you ever feel it? You said you felt it. You were in it. We both lived it. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. I got you wrong, baby, baby. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. You got to see. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Did you feel it? Did you really feel it? You said you felt it. You were in it. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Baby. Baby, please listen to me. Please listen to me. Let me say what I gotta say. You got me wrong and I got you wrong.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.